Welcome to The Biggest Winner. This tutorial will walk you through placing your first trades and building an ETF portfolio. To trade an ETF, first log into your account. And click Make a Trade at the top of the screen. This is where you can trade all of the ETFs on the platform. We have the ETFs all organized by fund family, so click the fund provider that you want to find first, and then all of the available ETFs will populate under the symbol drop-down. Just click the symbol you want to trade, and a quote will load on the right side of the page, including the bid and ask price, the last price, the day's change, and the current volume for this ETF. Simply enter the quantity you want to order, and click Preview to load a finalized quote including the commission charged. If you want, you can also keep notes of each trade you make to remind yourself why you thought this would be a great trade. Before you click Confirm, also check the chart for this ETF. The chart will show the current day's performance. The chart will be green if the ETF's price is up for the day. It will be red if the ETF's price is down for the day. Click Confirm to place your order. If the markets are open, your order should execute almost immediately and should appear right away under your dashboard or open positions page. If the markets are closed, we'll hold the order until the next business day when the markets open. You can also place stop and limit orders for ETFs on this platform. Again, just select the ETF you'd like to trade, enter the quantity, and then change the order type from market order to limit order, stop order, or trailing stop order. This will let you put in a limit price and an order duration, whether you want it to be good just for today, meaning that if it does not execute before the next time the market closes, the order will automatically cancel. Good till cancel, which means it will automatically stay open until your limit conditions are fulfilled, or good till date, which means it will stay open until your limit conditions are fulfilled or it passes the date you've selected. If you place a limit order and your order does not execute, for example, if you're trying to trade an ETF currently trading at $11, but you only put a limit price of $8, this order might not ever execute. In this case, we can see all of our open orders by going to the top of the page and going to My Order History under My Portfolio. Here you can see all of your orders, whether they're currently open, meaning not yet executed, filled, meaning that they have executed, or canceled, which are orders that you've canceled yourself. To cancel an order, click the X button. If you have a lot of outstanding limit orders, these can eat up your buying power, so canceling outstanding limit orders might be a good way to recover that buying power and continue managing your portfolio. If you aren't sure which ETF you'd like to trade, go under Make a Trade at the main menu and click Symbol Lookup. This will load a list of all the available ETFs that you can trade on the platform for this session. We have them organized by the fund family. So click any of the fund families, which will take you to all the funds available from this provider. It will list the fund name, what it's good for, its ticker symbol, and a page where you can pull up the quote. Pulling up the quote will give you a lot more information about this ETF, including its full name, and some of the quote information, for example, the last price, the volume, earnings per share, and even some news stories talking about this ETF. If you have any more questions, you can go under About in the main menu and click Contact Us. This will put you in touch with our support team to answer any of your questions. You can also find more information by clicking at the right side of the page where we have the Horizons Education Center, which has our learning library, our podcast talking about the ETF product lineup, and a lot more information about various types of ETFs available for trading.